pieces of soap. I don't know. Wait, I think I might be here. I don't know. Oh, it's weird. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you a way you can reuse your tights around the house. So I love bar soap, but I hate it when it gets to the very end when the pieces are really little, you can barely grasp them and they're just really hard to use. So I'm gonna show you a way you can collect all your little pieces of soap and make it into something better. So all you need is really the foot of a pair of tights. So I've cut out the foot of a nude pair, but you can really use opaque or anything you want. And then, you know, a little collection of soap pieces. And all you're gonna do is take the foot and stick in the little pieces that you've been collecting. You can put 1, 2, just really as many as you want. And then once you have this little baggie of soap, you're gonna just make a little tie at the end. Here you go. Now you have this little baggie of soap in it. It's pretty much like a built-in loofah. So it lathers up really nicely. If you're gonna use it in the shower, it almost acts like an exfoliator, which is really good. And then if you're gonna use it in your bathroom, you just put it in the dish and the pieces never really break. Yeah. So now I'm just gonna show you how it lathers up. As you can see, the soap really gets through the tights and it becomes like a little loofah.